Hello guys, what's up and how are you all doing? So in the previous video I told you about different type of pencils that you can use and what are the advantages and disadvantages of those particular pencils and pens. And in this particular video I am going to show you how to draw the word map. So I am going to use this Apsara pencil, but you can use this pen pencil also. It is very good. So the trick is that I will tell you step by step. See, this is the paper that you are going to get in UPSC examination. There will be margin here, and you have to write within this. The question will be like here. This is the starting part. So question will be here, and you will write like theory up to this part. Maybe you will write some introduction and then you will draw the map. So you will hardly get around this much, means you can use this much space in order to draw a word map. If you want to show something like where major earthquake occurs, or where is the major regions of fold mountains, or what are the tectonic plates or continents, or what are the ocean currents. So these things you can show very clearly in word map. So I will tell you here how to draw word map as easily as possible and as fast as possible. So the first step is that you should draw equator. So this is the equator. Just remember that since this is the space that we are using, so we will make the word map within this much area. Don't extend it too much here or here. I want you to have a margin here, so that as well as here, that just gives a good impression of yourself. So just mark this equator. So use this scale. Okay, this is equator, 0 degree centigrade. Then this is not centigrade, actually this is 0 degree, that's it. Then you have to draw Tropic of Cancer. So just from the equator, just take this much space and draw a line like this. This is your 22 and 23 and a half north, 23 degree and half minute north. Okay, and then same dotted lines here down below, 23 degree and half minute south. All right, then see the space that you have taken from equator to 23 degree. You have to just take double of that for marking your next line, that is Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Okay, here it is. I think this is double. You have to take means rough estimates, draw it very fast. This just because I am telling here, so I am doing it slowly, otherwise I am really fast with this. 66 degree and half minute south, and similarly you can take here also a dotted line. Okay, this camera is coming 66 degree and half minutes north. All right, so this is the basic lining that you have drawn, and this will be the reference through which you will get the proportion of each and every continent. Okay, so after that just take this much space, which should be actually lower than this Asian continent. So just pass a line here, and that will be 0 degree, which will pass through Greenwich in England. So you know that the Greenwich will be on this particular line. Okay, so after that now you know that this is equator, this is a Tropic of Cancer, this is our Arctic Circle, this is Tropic of Capricorn, this is Antarctic Circle. All right, so this is your basic contour on which you will start drawing the map. Now from here, after you have done this, the whole process becomes very simple. See, this is the equator, so you start from here. Just start just here, just draw a line like this. All right, just bring it like this, this becomes your Africa. So it is like a cone. Then here make a L shaped thing, and this part just make it go up like in a curve shape, and then as like this just add to this. So this is your Africa. All right, very simple, very easy. then you know that there will be your what do you say, Arabian Peninsula here. So just make means a half rectangle here like this, and then just go like this, and from here you will just draw the India like this, and here you will come to the Asian parts. So this will be the Sri Lanka. So you can easily draw that this is the India. Then from here you will come, you will stop before the equator, you will just draw a normal thin curve, and then you just draw a circle like this, and then extend this line to this is China. Here draw your North Korea and South Korea, and then extend it up to Alaska region. Sorry, this is your Russian region. Alright, so here you have North Korean and South Korean peninsula. So just where they end, draw this island, which is Japan. So Japan has 1, 2, 3 and 4 islands like this. Alright, so Japan is drawn. Now for drawing Indonesia, you know that this is where you have ended it. So you have to draw one island, which is means which equator crosses from middle. So like this is one island. Then another island will be like this. Again it will the equator will bifurcate it. Then the third island will be below equator like here. Okay, and then you can draw the Philippines here. Just draw 2, 3, so many islands like this, point. So this becomes your Philippines. Alright, okay, and what else? Yeah, and then come here, draw something, some figure, just draw a dip like this, and then extend like this, and then come back. So you have to start the Australia above the Tropic of Capricorn, and then end it below it, and just make it somewhere closer to the African tape like this. So this is the Australian diagram, and this particular portion is a little bit higher like that. Alright, so this is your Australia. Then here you can draw New Zealand. Okay, then coming on the here where this African part ends and where this Greenwich line goes, so just draw something a bulk like this. So this becomes your Spain and Portugal, and here is your France somewhere here. Here is your Germany, and you draw England here like this on this line. So it becomes quite easy and quite clear, because you have to draw the England on this line only, and you have to draw like this. Okay, then coming back here, you just draw a dip here like Italy, that will be Italy, and then again this will be Greece, and then just match it with this particular line of Arabian Peninsula. And this line which you are taking it here, just make sure that you do like this. So that becomes your Scandinavian countries, Norway, Sweden and your Finland. And then you have to just do like this and join it. So this becomes your Russia, China here. So this is means mostly Asia. So Asia and South Africa are drawn. Now coming to South America. So for drawing South America, you have to just again take the reference of the equator, keep some space between Africa and South America like this, and make a cone here. So you will start like that, and just make a curve here like this, and then abruptly drop it, and then after that like this. So if this is the curve here, so you have to just draw a similar curve here in upper portion like that. So this is your South America drawn. So this is your Atlantic Ocean, and on this tip of the South America, just draw a line like that, which will match the North America with the South America. Just draw C here, match it, and this is your joining between North America and South America. And after that you can just do a little bit of hitch, like this is California ridge, and then come here, draw Alaska on the Arctic Circle and do like that. Here you have to draw some box type of thing, and you can just now this particular thing could be added to this, so this becomes your North America. You can draw some islands here, and this is your Greenwich. Okay, this is your Iceland somewhere here. So this is your pretty world map drawn, I think, and you can draw it really fast. If you, I have told you because I was telling you step by step, so that became too long. But if you want to draw it fast, it hardly takes 2 minutes, 1.5 minutes if you want to rough it. And if you have drawn this map, so that shows that you are really serious guy and you are preparing hard for the UPSC. And if you draw such a good map, so you will get really good marks, so believe me. And that's all for this video. If you want to make me more videos about ocean currents map, or where are the tectonic plates, what are the major faulty areas, or where the earthquakes and volcanoes occur, what are the seasonal changes, what are the wind currents, and all these things, if you want to know all these things, you can ask me, because I don't know if this is helpful, really helpful to you. Maybe you guys know this. So that's it, and thank you guys, and let me know. See you next video. Bye bye.